Charlo. You're going skiing?
Hi.
You're going skiing?
Yes.
Do you want to try skiing or snowboarding?
Zipping.
Snowboarding?
Zipping.
Okay, you can try skiing or snowboarding when we get up. Where are we going? South Lake Tahoe.
No. Go. So.
You want to go to the snow?
Yes.
Yes, that's where we're going, to the snow, so you can go snowboarding or skiing. Okay, and we're on a road trip. It's going to take about 7 to 8 hours. Are you ready?
Yes.
Do you think you're going to take a nap?
No.
No, you're going to stay up the full 8 hours?
Yes.
We'll see. Okay, I'll see you in a second. Okay, let's go. Wait for mommy. Let's go, we're almost there. What room is yours? It's this way, come.
And mine.
Isn't that red hot right here? Yeah, there it is.
Hi, Charlo. You ready to go eat? Okay, let's go.
Can you get a video of you? Can you get a video of the front one?
What do you want? Waffles, pancakes?
Pancakes, mac and cheese.
What do you want, Charlo? Okay. Let's get you a waffle.
That's a big one. You got mommy. Go up the hill. Go up the hill, Toto. Wow, Niecy. Who was that? A bus? You fell? You're almost there. Here he comes. Whoa. There's Dada. Mommy's coming. I'm holding your hand now.
Just, fit your foot in there a little bit. Hello, how you doing? Good. What do you guys need? 6, 9. You ready to go skiing, son? 6. Yeah, you excited?
Okay.
You want to be snug, And you have a lot more room to tighten. Ready for work? Does it feel like
Those are awesome.
Tight on it though.
okay? It doesn't feel tight.
Yeah, I just.
Because you want it to be snug. You want it to be when you're locked.
How do they feel? Are they good or are they too tight?
5.
They're great. Yes, they feel wonderful.
How's you doing there? Here, hit it. Are they heavy, son? Do you like your boots?
Yes.
You ready to go skiing?
Yes.
So that is another micro adjustments for you.
See those small skis? Those are gonna be for you. Little baby skis.
Mine. Mine.
That's for him. I mean, that's too big.
Okay.
Show Daddy your ski boots and let him know they're yours. Those are yours? These are mine.
Yes. This is mommy.
And where's yours?
We do sell belts. $8.95 for a belt.
Yeah.
You don't want your toes. But those are gray and loose.
I'll tell you what.
Ah!
Short. You can squeeze around a couple loops. I'll keep it up.
Okay,
Free for you.
most of the day you're going to be over here.
Yep. You're welcome. How many pants are we doing? How many pants? 3? 3.
You ready to build a snowman? You want to build the snowman?
Can I show you guys that right now?
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Big or small?
All right, so we got 3 pants. It's going to be $45.
Die.
A small one. Is it your size?
Yeah.
Or a snowman mommy's size?
So mommy, my son.
Mommy's
Come back
size.
tomorrow, and then I'll just throw you on
Yeah.
the contract.
Do you think he needs gloves and a scarf because he's gonna be cold?
Yes.
Yeah. Where's the snowman at? Do you see the big snowball Daddy's making? Let's go help him put some snow on top.
Ah, you got me! Ah! Ah! Ah!
What?
Ah, you got me!
Ha! Got you. Ha ha!
Ah, you got mommy!
Ha!
You got mommy! Whoa, you got mommy!
Ah!
Yeah. Hey.
Daddy got you!
Let's go to the jacuzzi. One, two, three, jump! Let's go. Come on. Let's go, Charlo. Do you need mommy's help? No. Okay.
What's that? Eye.
Charlo, are you excited to go skiing for the first time?
Yes.
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 You have your ski boots
Yeah, I have a boots.
and you have your skis?
Yes.
Yes, you're gonna go down the slopes?
Yes.
Yes, I'm so excited for you to try skiing for the first time.
Yes.
At Heavenly
Yes.
Lake Tahoe.
Yes.
We're almost there. Hello. Charlo. Where's your boots? How do they feel? Are they too tight? No.
Sandy.
His first time skiing. He got his skis on for the first time. Wow. Are you excited? Are you gonna go skiing? The big mountain? Is it beautiful?
He sees everybody else with poles. So he wants them, but he doesn't know that he doesn't need them.
You don't need the poles till you get bigger.
Look at mommy. Hi.
Yes.
Say hi. Okay.
Oh! Whoa!